Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media late at night, seeing someone traveling in Europe, another buying a brand new car, someone getting engaged, and someone else announcing, "Landed my dream job," and suddenly you feel, "Here I am, but everyone else is so far ahead." But is everyone really doing that well? Or is it just a trap, an illusion? In today's video, we'll try to find the answers to these questions. Why does this happen? Social media has become a huge part of our lives. It's a place where we only show our best moments, the beautiful, joyful, and successful ones. No one shares their failures, pain, or sadness. That's why we only see their highlight reel, not the full picture. Another reason is that our brain naturally likes to compare. We instinctively compare ourselves to others. Social media magnifies this tendency. Because we see many people's perfect pictures all at once, we forget that these images are selected moments, not the whole life. What causes this? Comparison creates a kind of pressure in our minds. When we repeatedly see others' success, our self-esteem drops. We start thinking, "Am I not good enough? Am I falling behind?" These thoughts destroy our confidence and peace of mind. Also, social media gives us dopamine hits. That's a chemical that makes us feel pleasure. Getting likes and comments brings temporary happiness, but it's very short-lived. When that happiness fades, we crave more likes and reactions. This creates addiction and distances us from our real lives. What damage does it cause? This illusion of social media causes a lot of harm in our lives. It changes our entire life experience. Let's look at these damages. Our self-esteem decreases. Loneliness increases because we feel like we're the only ones falling behind. We develop sleep problems because we stay glued to our phones late at night. The importance of real relationships fades because we prefer hiding behind screens. These don't just affect mental health, they negatively impact our daily lives too. What's the solution? So, how do we escape this trap? There are ways to get out of it easily if you follow them. 1. Be aware. Understand how much social media affects you. 2. Take detox time. Spend some time daily away from your phone. Feel nature. Read books. 3. Stop comparing. Don't compare your journey with others. 4. Build real-life relationships. Spend time with friends and family. Share genuine feelings. 5. Celebrate your small victories. Write down at least 3 things you're grateful for each day. 6. Follow only those who bring you peace. Unfollow accounts that disturb your mental peace. By practicing these, you can live a beautiful life and achieve endless mental happiness. So start applying them now to take care of yourself. Conclusion: social media is meant to enhance our lives, but it can never be the place of reality. So believe in yourself and focus on your own journey. You are good enough. Your path is different, but it's yours. If this video brings you any value or helps you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay connected.